Hi, hello guys. I'm here sa school ni Maddie with JJ. She is now at the second floor and I'm waiting for her. Pero alam nyo, while waiting kay Maddie, nag-reflect ako sa buhay namin at napatanong, bakit kaya kami nagkaanak ng may autism? In my perspective, I don't know why. But in God's perspective, it is so beautiful. One day, nung ako'y nagsisimula pa lang sa journey as a Christian, I pray to God that He will change me na maging isang mapasensyoso or have patience and gentleness as one of God's characteristic. You know what? God didn't change me that night because Maddie came to our lives. Unconsciously, we are starting to exercise patience and gentleness with our little Maddie. Friends, in life struggle and challenges, it is not all about sa iyong pinagdadaang kahirapan. It's all about your character, the character that came out from you. That character na akma doon sa langit. God bless.